दिनै जोंहा नैबे बन्सुनि जे कनफारेन्स सोलिगासिनो दङ बियो दा बे समाव फ्लेग पस्टिं खालामनो थाखाय आगान सुरबाय आरोखि ना लोगोफोर नोंथांमोनहा बे भिडिअनि थ्रुयै नायलांनो हागोन दा स्टार्ट खालामबाय नैबे फ्लेगखौ थिखोसिगोन आरोखि ना नोंथांमोनहा नायलांनो हागोन बे आंनि भिडिअनि थ्रुयै आरोखि
to work for the welfare and upliftment and development of our tribal society of Northeast India and whole of India. May I welcome our tribal brothers, our leaders of All Assam Students Union, our leaders of Tripura Students Federation, our leaders of Kashi Students Union, our leaders of Garo Students Union, our leaders of all Tiwa Students Unions, our leaders of all Dimasa Students Unions, and the leaders of BTR Students Union. May I welcome you on this great and auspicious and history. Unite together and hoist our flag high so that our dreams can fly high and achieve with great honor and dignity. Now we will all have our flag hoisting within a few minutes. Before that, we will sing our national anthem of our National Students Union. After that, we will hoist our respected flags. And after that, we will have a song of our tribal students' unity. And after that, we will have a great moments to the martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for the Moro people, for the society, and for the tribal community of our society. So, now let us begin our program by singing a song of Moro National Students Union anthem. May I invite to sing a song.
Ibu berikan peran untuk kalau berjalan. Pun satu kan potong tangan boleh kalau berjalan.